Hello guys, welcome to the new and second video of Godot. And today we are going to make some touches, some not finishing but starting touches to the impossible game. So let's look at it. And we are in. So this is what we created last time. Ignore that here says test box instead of mesh instant. That was just a little change. So this is what we have created last time. If you want to see, we just click this button. And here's what we made. A completely grey screen. It's like if you click F5, then you can go into this mode, and as you can see, you can kind of phase through the box. And you can also not jump. Wait, for some reason you can jump. Bro, why is it possible to jump? Bro, why the heck is it possible to float? What the heck? Well, we probably got to fix this because now I have a massive person. Just like, bro, what the heck? Wait, you can also click shift to go down, apparently. That's weird. We need to definitely fix that. So first, that is what we're going to fix. Yeah. So there's some problem, I guess. So first we're gonna ask Claude to fix. That's what we're gonna ask Claude to fix. Yep. So here we have my guy named Claude. In player.gd, I want to remove that you can go up and down when holding space/shift button. Remove that, please. Alright, so now we're gonna have Claude to remove it for us. Do you want to make this editor player.gd? Yes. Done. Remove the okay. So now we just go to Godot, reload, and we test it. As you can see, I am spamming the space button. And I cannot go up. So now what we want to do is we want to add stuff. But first I want to add collision. And the only way to create collision is by first adding the ground. So let's do that. So we're here and we are going to add a ground. So basically, the text we needed something called ground. No, we want a mesh instance 3D called ground. Round. And we're gonna put it down here, and we're gonna change it to a cube. Cube. Hello, cube. Box. Okay. And then, oh wait, no. I thought this was the what? No, wait. So transform. Okay, first can put this on 0, 0, 0. Then we put this -1. Okay. And then what we do is we just change the scale to like 10. Okay, command set. We change the scale to like 10. No, actually, let's change it to like 15. Yeah, 15 is probably very good. And now what I want to do is I want to new standard materials. I want to add color to this thing. No, thank you. Geometry. Wait. Global illumination, visibility range. How do I add? Okay, wait, refresh it. Okay, guess we're not going to have any color. But so we have our ground. And we are going to add something called a collision shape. And this we're going to put down here. Shape, new box. So as you can see, we are going to put the shape under the ground where you, the player, cannot see it. No? What's the warning? Okay, blah 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 blah. I don't care. Well, I do technically care, but sure, why not? So now, since we have this, we are going to. What do I want to do with it? Oh yeah. So I want to go to script, file, new script called collision.gd, and we're going to go to our guy. Now add collision, also falling, but in a unusual way. I want to make so what we're going to do is we're going to copy our collision box here, and we're going to paste it like 3 times. One for this part, and we're going to change the transform to be like bigger and the same size. One for here, our player, and one for the test box. So we are going to do that. So I want to copy the mesh collision, by the way, collision shape 3D, and I want to paste it and change some settings in it, like the size, and then use that. Also make this in collision.gd. I want this for now at the player. Now at the player by changing shape, also the test box and the ground, please. Also falling, of course, like I said. Alright, boom! And now, editor, please make a time lapse of this. Thank you. Okay, so Claude is done completely, I'm guessing. So I'm guessing it works. So come on, bro, come on. That's not what I wanted. But keep the main.tscn nodes the same as before. I am sure this is possible with my logic. So I hope now it's going to work. Please. Okay, why did I that was cringe. Hey, why do you want to ignore my guy? By the way, can I? You can directly publish this folder to a... Oh wait, no, but these are like just their files. So I guess it's just like that will only show the code. Wow, that's a lot of... Okay, sorry, that's that. Okay, sorry. But anyways, now we need to wait for another like 10 minutes or so, 10 hours or 10 years, maybe like 15 million decades, maybe like in the zillion giga years or something. And that will be turned into a time lapse. Yay! Yes, finally. That did like okay, anyway, doesn't matter. Okay, my step by. By the way, I think you saw that I was like typing like this. I don't know why, I was just bored, okay? By the way, now we are going to check, please. Okay. So this should work? Okay, it works, but you fall infinitely in the void because okay. Fall infinitely into the void. Fix that. Also, still, why do we need the collision nodes? Just remove them if possible. Alright, now another time lapse. I hope this one takes 10,000 mega years. I'll see you after a decade. Alright, my bro is finally done. And I hope... Hello? Okay. What? Okay, so Godot quit unexpectedly, is what my MacBook Pro said. So, we need to reopen Godot that quitted unexpectedly. Right, so yes. Now the only thing we need... By the way, how big are the scripts? Okay, not too big. So now the only thing we need is that it works. I hope this... Okay, not too bad. But I hope I don't have to wait another millennia to allow anti-gravity to fix it. There is a error in player.gd at what line? At line 68. Please fix it. So I hope this won't take another millennia. Please. Please. Why am I this cringe again? That's the second time today. No, actually like the fourth time, because it's like the third try at this episode. I had to like restart this. I had to like at the end I have to ask Claude to like redo everything I've done from the start of this conversation. So, by the way, this was not long time. I couldn't even finish talking. So, let's see. Alright, so now it should work. Oh. I am happy. I am super duper happy. I am happy. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Okay, I'll stop now. That was even more cringe. Okay, sorry. But anyways, now I want to add jumping Also, if not yet, falling. Make this also. Yeah, I think Godot has its sprinting. So yeah. So now I want to add jumping. I don't think this will take a long time because jumping is actually quite simple. Okay. This won't take a long time, so I'm guessing it will be like 2 seconds. No, just kidding. But if it does, it's probably gonna be like 2. Okay, it did not take a long time. Reload. So now let's check. Yes, you can jump. Can I jump on this? Wait, can I jump on it? Wait, what? Am I on something or not? Was I on it or not? Wait, I'm just gonna do F5 so I can check. Oh yeah, I am on it, definitely. Alright. So now what I want to do is I want to add some small touches. Like being able to sprint, and also I want to have intentional vectoring. I know alright, I won't spoil it anyways. But I want to add intentional bugs, like not bugs, but like places where you can get a tiny itty bit more speed. Like where sprint and jump is better than regular sprinting in Minecraft. I want something like that. So first I want to add sprinting. Make no make when tapping W and then holding it in quick succession that the player can move at 1.75x speed. Make this a bar at the start so I can change it, and if you jump right after landing, okay, please, landing from a jump, that you get a boost forward 0.1 no 0.085. Also when combined with a slight touch of A or D when landing and jumping, again make that you can get a larger boost at 0.125. No, 0.13, please. Bam! And this might take quite a while, so probably we are going to time lapse it. The recording of this video is already 30 minutes, but it feels like 10. And I hope the video itself is going to be a little less than 30 minutes. Wow, that was actually quite good, but this is cool. How fast you need to double tap W to start sprint? Okay, this is super cool. So it knows what bunny hop is, which I really like. Bunny hop window. How many seconds? Bunny hop straight boot. Same bit with okay, this is good. So I first want to reload from disk, and now we have a lot of more stuff here. So I want to test it. Alright, so we can test it with this test box. So we are sprinting, let's go. And now I also feel the boost, and now with strafe hopping, I like this because it's like a more complex technique. For example, the vectoring from Super Mario Odyssey. Yeah, it feels faster. Yeah, that's definitely faster. But just for a quick test, I am going to set the I'm going to set the boost for it. Okay, I'm going to set the boost for it to but I also want to set the boost to here to put 5 and here for 2. Just for a quick test. So I want to test this. But did I even get the boost? Did I get the boost or not? Did I get the boost? Am I getting the boost or not? Wait, what? Okay, we need to say something. We are not getting the boost. But we are not getting the boost from the bunny hop. I tested this by setting it to a high amount, but it's doing nothing. Please fix this. Okay, so now I asked it to fix it, and this hopefully will take a long time because I like to edit. Okay, that's wrong. Well, I kind of like it. I don't know. Doesn't matter. I hope this guy fixes it for me because I want Claude to fix it for me. Thank you. finally, it's done. Plus I only have 5%. I have to go quickly. Let's quickly reload it and reset it. Hope it's gonna work. So I still have it on a high amount, I think. What? Still have it on my high amount. Bunny hop boost. Bruh! 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 My god! Well, I guess I have to debug this. But that will be for later. But until then, I'll see you in the next video. But until then,